JEDOC CPM Online Training. Introduction to JEDOC CPM. JEDOC EPM, Enterprise Performance Management, is a comprehensive software solution designed to help organizations streamline and enhance their planning, budgeting, forecasting, and reporting processes. It integrates seamlessly with various data sources, providing a unified platform for financial and operational performance management. Key features of JEDOC CPM: integrated planning and budgeting. JEDOC offers a unified platform for financial and operational planning. This includes top-down and bottom-up budgeting, allowing organizations to create and manage detailed budgets and forecasts that align with strategic goals. Advanced analytics and reporting. With its powerful analytics capabilities, JEDOC enables users to generate detailed reports, dashboards, and visualizations. These tools help decision-makers monitor performance metrics, identify trends, and make informed business decisions. Data integration. JEDOC integrates with various data sources, including ERP systems, CRM systems, databases, and spreadsheets. This integration ensures that data is always up to date and accessible for planning and analysis. Collaboration and workflow management. The platform supports collaborative planning, allowing multiple users to work together on budgeting and forecasting tasks. Workflow management features help track approvals, submissions, and revisions, ensuring that the process is transparent and controlled. Flexibility and scalability. JEDOC is highly customizable, enabling organizations to tailor the software to their specific needs. It is also scalable, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small enterprises to large corporations. Cloud and on-premises deployment. JEDOC can be deployed in the cloud, on-premises, or in a hybrid environment, providing flexibility in how organizations manage their infrastructure. Predictive analytics and AI. The platform includes AI and predictive analytics capabilities, allowing organizations to forecast future trends based on historical data and identify potential risks and opportunities. Benefits of using JEDOC CPM. Improved accuracy. By automating data collection and consolidation, JEDOC reduces errors and ensures that plans and reports are based on accurate, real-time data. Enhanced collaboration. The platform fosters collaboration across departments, breaking down silos and ensuring that everyone is working from the same data. Increased agility. With faster planning cycles and the ability to quickly adjust forecasts, JEDOC helps organizations respond more rapidly to changes in the market or business environment. Cost savings. Automating and streamlining the planning and reporting processes can lead to significant cost savings by reducing the time and resources required for these tasks. Use cases for JEDOC CPM. Financial planning and analysis. FP&A. JEDOC is widely used for FP&A, helping finance teams to plan, analyze, and report on financial performance more effectively. Key features of JEDOC CPM. JEDOC EPM, Enterprise Performance Management, is a powerful tool for planning, budgeting, forecasting, and performance management. Here are the key features of JEDOC CPM. 1. Unified planning and budgeting. Integrated planning. Jedox enables integrated business planning across various departments, including finance, sales, HR, and operations. Collaborative budgeting. Multiple users can work together on budgeting processes, allowing for a collaborative approach to financial planning. 2. Flexible forecasting. Rolling forecasts. Jedox supports rolling forecasts that allow businesses to update their financial outlook regularly. Scenario analysis. Users can create different scenarios to assess the potential impacts of various business decisions. 3. Advanced analytics and reporting. Self-service analytics. Business users can create custom reports and dashboards without needing IT support. Interactive dashboards. Jedox offers real-time, interactive dashboards for monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs. 4. Data integration. ETL capabilities. Jedox integrates with a wide range of data sources, including ERP systems, CRM, databases, and spreadsheets. Data unification. It provides a single version of the truth by consolidating data from various sources. 5. AI-driven insights. Predictive analytics. Jedox incorporates AI and machine learning algorithms to provide predictive insights and automate forecasting. Driver-based planning. The platform uses key business drivers to predict outcomes and improve planning accuracy. 6. Excel integration. Excel add-in. Jedox offers a seamless integration with Microsoft Excel, allowing users to leverage their existing Excel skills for planning and reporting. Spreadsheet automation. It enhances Excel spreadsheets with advanced modeling, workflow, and data integration capabilities. 7. Scalability and flexibility. Cloud and on-premises deployment. Jedox can be deployed in the cloud, on-premises, or in a hybrid environment, making it flexible for different business needs. Customizable models. Users can create custom planning models that fit their specific business processes. 8. Workflow and collaboration. Approval processes. Jedox supports multi-level approval workflows, ensuring proper oversight and control over planning processes. Task management. Users can assign tasks, track progress, and collaborate directly within the platform. 9. Performance optimization. In-memory technology. Jedox leverages in-memory technology for fast data processing and analysis, even with large datasets. Automated processes. Routine processes can be automated, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors. 10. Security and compliance. Role-based access. Jedox offers robust role-based access controls to ensure data security and compliance with organizational policies. Audit trail. It provides an audit trail for tracking changes and ensuring accountability. 11. Mobile access. Mobile app. Jedox offers a mobile app for iOS and Android, enabling users to access planning, analytics, and reporting on the go. Benefits of using Jedox for performance management. Jedox is a versatile and powerful performance management tool designed to streamline various business processes. Here are some key benefits of using Jedox for performance management. 1. Integrated planning, budgeting, and forecasting. Unified platform. Jedox offers a single, integrated platform for planning, budgeting, and forecasting, reducing the need for multiple tools and improving data consistency. Real-time data. The tool provides real-time data updates, ensuring that decisions are based on the latest information. 2. Customizable and scalable solutions. Tailored to business needs, Jedox is highly customizable, allowing organizations to tailor the software to their specific performance management needs. Scalability. The platform can easily scale with the growth of the business, handling increased data volumes and user numbers without compromising performance. 3. Advanced analytics and reporting. Comprehensive analytics. Jedox provides advanced analytics capabilities, enabling businesses to analyze performance data in detail and uncover insights that drive better decision-making. Interactive dashboards. The tool offers interactive dashboards and reports, allowing users to visualize data in various formats, which enhances understanding and communication. 4. Seamless integration with existing systems. Compatibility. Jedox integrates seamlessly with various ERP, CRM, and BI systems such as SAP, Salesforce, and Microsoft Excel, enabling a smooth data flow across platforms. Data import-export. It supports easy data import and export, facilitating the integration of data from different sources into a unified platform. 5. Collaboration and workflow automation. Team collaboration. Jedox enhances collaboration by allowing multiple users to work simultaneously on planning and performance management tasks, ensuring alignment across departments. Automated workflows. The platform offers automated workflows, reducing manual effort and increasing efficiency in processes such as approvals and data submissions. 6. Enhanced data accuracy and consistency. Centralized data repository. By consolidating data in a central repository, Jedox minimizes data discrepancies and errors, ensuring that everyone in the organization works with accurate and consistent information. Audit trail. Jedox provides an audit trail feature, helping organizations track changes and maintain data integrity. 7. Ease of use and accessibility. User-friendly interface. The intuitive user interface of Jedox makes it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise, reducing the learning curve. Web and mobile access. With web and mobile access, Jedox allows users to manage performance and access critical data from anywhere, enhancing flexibility and responsiveness. 8. Cost-effective solution. Lower TCO. Jedox offers a cost-effective solution with a lower total cost of ownership, TCO, compared to traditional enterprise performance management systems, making it accessible to organizations of all sizes. Jedox EPM Architecture Overview. Jedox EPM, Enterprise Performance Management, is a platform designed to support integrated planning, analytics, and reporting processes across an organization. The architecture of Jedox EPM is designed to be scalable, flexible, and user-friendly, allowing businesses to manage their financial and operational performance efficiently. 1. Core components. Jedox OLAP Server. The heart of the Jedox platform, the OLAP, Online Analytical Processing Server, is responsible for data storage, processing, and real-time calculations. It stores data in multidimensional cubes and enables fast, complex queries. Jedox ETL, Extract, Transform, Load. The ETL component handles data integration. It allows users to connect to various data sources, databases, ERP systems, cloud services, etc., extract data, transform it as needed, and load it into JDocs for analysis and planning. JDocs Web. The web interface of JDocs, providing users with access to dashboards, reports, data entry forms, and more. It's highly customizable and supports drag-and-drop functionality for ease of use. JDocs Integrator. A comprehensive tool that facilitates data import-export, transformation, and automation. It's an essential part of the data preparation process in JDocs. JDocs Spreadsheet. An Excel-like interface that allows users to interact with the JDocs platform through a familiar environment. It is integrated with the OLAP server, enabling real-time data entry, calculations, and analysis. 2. Data integration layer. Data sources. JDocs can connect to a wide range of data sources, including relational databases, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, cloud applications, Salesforce, Google Analytics, flat files, Excel, CSV, and others. The platform supports both direct connections and data imports. ETL processes. The ETL processes within JDocs are used to extract data from various sources, transform it according to business rules, example aggregating, filtering, cleansing, and load it into the JDocs OLAP server. 3. Application layer. Business logic. JDocs allows the implementation of business logic through rules and scripting. These can be used to automate calculations, enforce data validation, and manage workflows. Planning models. Users can create and manage complex planning models within JDocs, including financial planning, sales forecasting, budgeting, and more. These models are stored in the OLAP cubes and can be accessed and manipulated through the web interface or spreadsheets. 4. Presentation layer. Dashboards and reports. JDocs provides tools for creating interactive dashboards and reports. These can be tailored to different user roles and can include charts, tables, KPIs, and other visual elements. The presentation layer is designed to be intuitive, enabling non-technical users to gain insights quickly. Data integration and ETL in JDocs. JDocs provides robust capabilities for data integration and ETL, extract, transform, load, processes. Here's a high-level overview of how JDocs handles these aspects. Data integration. Data sources. JDocs can connect to various data sources, including databases, example SQL Server, Oracle, cloud services, example Google Sheets, Salesforce, and flat files, example CSV, Excel. Data import. You can import data into JDocs using the ETL tool integrated within the platform. It supports batch imports, real-time data feeds, and data synchronization. APIs. JDocs provides APIs and connectors to facilitate integration with other systems and applications. This allows for seamless data transfer and integration across different platforms. Data connectivity. The platform supports a wide range of data connectivity options, including ODBC, JDBC, and REST APIs, which help in connecting and retrieving data from various sources. ETL processes. Data extraction. JEDOX allows you to extract data from various sources through its integrated ETL tool. You can set up data extraction jobs that run on a schedule or trigger them manually. Data transformation. The ETL tool in JEDOX enables you to transform data according to your needs. You can perform tasks like data cleansing, aggregation, and calculation using built-in functions and scripting. Data loading. Once the data is extracted and transformed, it can be loaded into JEDOX's data warehouse or data model. The loading process can be automated and scheduled to ensure that data is up to date. Data mapping. JEDOX provides data mapping features that allow you to map data from source systems to the JEDOX data model. This ensures that data is correctly aligned and structured for analysis and reporting. Monitoring and logging. JEDOX offers tools to monitor and log ETL processes. This helps in tracking the status of data loads, identifying errors, and ensuring data quality. Advanced features. Data virtualization. JEDOX supports data virtualization, allowing you to access and use data from various sources without physically moving it into JEDOX. This can improve efficiency and reduce data duplication. Integration with BI tools. JEDOX integrates with various business intelligence tools, enhancing your ability to analyze and visualize data. Custom ETL scripts. For advanced ETL needs, you can create custom ETL scripts using JEDOX's scripting capabilities, giving you more control over the data transformation process. Budgeting and forecasting with JEDOX. JEDOX is a powerful tool for budgeting and forecasting, offering a range of features to streamline these processes. Here's an overview of its key capabilities. Budgeting with JEDOX. Integrated planning. JEDOX allows for integrated planning across different departments, enabling a unified view of financial data and forecasts. Flexible modeling. You can create custom models to suit your specific budgeting needs. This flexibility helps in tailoring the solution to various business scenarios. Real-time data. With JEDOX, you get real-time updates, which is crucial for accurate budgeting. This ensures that your budget reflects the most current data. Collaborative planning. The platform supports collaboration among teams, allowing multiple users to contribute to the budgeting process. This can enhance accuracy and alignment across the organization. Automated workflows. JEDOX provides automation for repetitive tasks in budgeting, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors. Forecasting with JEDOX. Predictive analytics. JEDOX includes advanced forecasting techniques like predictive analytics, which use historical data to make accurate future predictions. Scenario planning. You can create and compare multiple scenarios to understand how different variables might impact your forecasts. This helps in making more informed decisions. Rolling forecasts. The system supports rolling forecasts, which are updated regularly to reflect the latest business conditions and trends. Data integration. JEDOX integrates data from various sources, ensuring that your forecasts are based on comprehensive and accurate information. Advanced reporting. The platform offers robust reporting tools to visualize forecast data, making it easier to analyze trends and communicate findings to stakeholders. Benefits: improved accuracy, real-time data and advanced analytics enhance the precision of your budgets and forecasts. Increased efficiency, automation and collaborative features streamline the planning process, saving time and reducing manual effort. Enhanced decision-making, comprehensive forecasting and scenario planning support better strategic decisions. Planning and scenario analysis in Jedox. Jedox offers robust features for planning and scenario analysis, which are key components for financial and operational planning. Here's an overview. 1. Planning in Jedox. A. Budgeting and forecasting. Top-down and bottom-up planning. Jedox supports both top-down and bottom-up approaches, allowing you to create and consolidate plans from different departments or business units. Dynamic planning templates. Users can create templates that dynamically adapt to different scenarios or inputs, simplifying the planning process. Integrated Excel interface. Jedox integrates with Excel, enabling users to leverage familiar tools for data entry and analysis while benefiting from the underlying Jedox engine. B. Workflow and collaboration. Approval workflows. Configure approval workflows to ensure that planning data is reviewed and approved by the appropriate stakeholders. Collaborative planning. Jedox supports collaborative planning with features that enable multiple users to work on plans simultaneously and provide feedback. C. Data integration. Data sources. Jedox integrates with various data sources, including ERP systems, CRM systems, and other databases, ensuring that planning data is accurate and up-to-date. 2. Scenario analysis in Jedox. A. Scenario modeling. Multiple scenarios. Create and compare multiple scenarios to assess the impact of different assumptions and decisions on your financial and operational plans. What-if analysis. Perform what-if analysis to evaluate potential outcomes based on changes in key variables or assumptions. B. Dynamic forecasting. Rolling forecasts. Implement rolling forecasts that automatically adjust based on actual performance and changes in business conditions. Real-time updates. Scenario analysis in Jedox provides real-time updates, allowing users to see the immediate impact of changes in their scenarios. C. Visualization and reporting. Dashboards and reports. Create dashboards and reports to visualize scenario outcomes and make informed decisions based on comprehensive data analysis. Interactive analytics. Use interactive analytics to drill down into data and explore different scenarios in detail. D. Simulation and optimization. Optimization models. Use optimization models to determine the best course of action under various scenarios. Simulation tools. Jedox offers simulation tools to model complex scenarios and predict potential outcomes. Reporting and dashboards in Jedox. Jedox is a powerful platform for enterprise performance management, EPM, and business intelligence by offering robust tools for reporting and dashboards. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Reporting in Jedox. Excel integration. Jedox integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Excel, allowing users to create reports and dashboards using familiar Excel functionalities while leveraging Jedox's data and calculation engine. Web-based reporting. The Jedox web interface offers interactive reporting capabilities. Users can design reports with drag-and-drop functionality and utilize various widgets and components for dynamic reporting. Ad hoc reporting. Jedox supports ad hoc reporting, enabling users to create customized reports on the fly without needing extensive technical expertise. Report scheduling. Users can schedule reports to be generated and delivered automatically at specified intervals, ensuring timely distribution of critical information. Data consolidation. Reports in Jedox can consolidate data from various sources, providing a comprehensive view across different business units or regions. Dashboards in Jedox. Interactive dashboards. Jedox allows users to create interactive dashboards with real-time data visualizations. Users can drag and drop various elements like charts, tables, and graphs to design intuitive dashboards. Data visualization. Jedox supports various types of visualizations, including line charts, bar charts, pie charts, and heat maps, making it easier to interpret complex data. Drill-down capabilities. Dashboards in Jedox provide drill-down functionalities, allowing users to click on data points to view more detailed information. Performance management. Dashboards can be designed to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, and other metrics, helping organizations track performance and make data-driven decisions. Custom widgets. Users can create custom widgets and integrate them into dashboards to tailor the visual representation of data to specific needs. Real-time updates. Dashboards can be configured to update in real time or at scheduled intervals, ensuring that users always have access to the most current data. Integration and extensibility. Data integration. Jedox integrates with various data sources, including databases, ERP systems, and cloud services, ensuring comprehensive data coverage in reports and dashboards. APIs and extensions. Jedox provides APIs for integrating with other applications and systems, allowing for extended functionality and customized solutions. Why choose ProExcellency for Jedox EPM online training? ProExcellency is often chosen for Jedox EPM online training due to several compelling reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically employs trainers with extensive experience and deep expertise in Jedox EPM, ensuring that you receive high-quality instruction from professionals who know the platform inside and out. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are designed to cover a wide range of topics, from basic functionality to advanced features, providing a well-rounded education on Jedox EPM. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency usually offers various learning formats, including live online classes, on-demand courses, and interactive sessions, allowing you to choose the method that best fits your schedule and learning style. Practical applications. The training often emphasizes real-world applications and practical scenarios, helping you to apply what you learn directly to your business needs and challenges. Support and resources. ProExcellency often provides additional resources, such as access to training materials, forums, and post-training support, to help reinforce your learning and address any questions or issues that may arise. Positive reviews and reputation. They are known for their positive reviews and reputation in the industry, which can be a strong indicator of the quality and effectiveness of their training programs. Thank you.